Hey there, and welcome to today's Orthos Liquid Systems video chat. I'm Stuart Humphreys, Director of Filtration Technologies for Orthos. Today's theme is, if you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always got. I recognize that in the past, our water and wastewater treatment industry has changed with the speed of a glacier, as Bob Wimmer of Aquarobics used to say. But does that mean that now you should keep plugging and chugging along without trying on new projects to design, install, or purchase the best system that can be afforded? An analogy would it be wise to finance for 7 years an old car you know will last maybe only 3 years? You'll have to make years of payments after that old clunker has died. So then why in our infrastructure industry should owners finance projects for 30 to 40 years with equipment systems that are known up front to have to be completely replaced every 25 years? Doesn't make good sense, does it? Please remember Orthos's huge life cycle cost benefit. At the end of media filters replacement cycle, let's say 25 years, in contrast to ripping out a brittle plastic block or corroded folded sheet metal underdrain and starting all over, the Orthos nozzles are simply replaced, potentially saving millions of dollars. Once built, a monolithic underdrain is part of the civil structure and is going nowhere for likely a century. Monolithic will win every life cycle cost analysis with a term that includes at least one replacement cycle, which it should, because utilities will operate these treatment plants for many decades to come. In future video chats, I'll address more reasons why Orthos monolithic underdrains deliver to utilities their expectations of reliability, resiliency, and permanency. Please contact me or your Orthos representative for any of your filtration, contactor, or ion exchange needs. And subscribe to the Orthos YouTube channel. Follow us on Twitter or LinkedIn me. I'm Stuart Humphreys. Talk with you again soon.